Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Then click on Privacy next to Permissions at the top. Select App Lock. And if you don't have privacy password, click on Settings in the pop-up to create it. Now click on Use a different password type and select the best login method that you will use to lock your apps. In my case, Pattern. Now you need to create it. Repeat it in order to confirm it. And set up recovery email just in case. After entering it, choose Confirm in the pop-up. You need to also answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, select Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Then hit Confirm and answer it correctly below. Finally, tap on this check mark at the top right corner. Then click on the switcher next to App Lock feature. And finally, click on the switchers next to your apps that you wish to lock. I will go with Chrome. So when I click and tap on Use or Cancel in the pop-up, then try to access Chrome app, I can see that App Lock is working properly. If you wish to disable App Lock from any of your locked apps, go into the same settings, choose App Lock, enter your privacy password, and tap on the same No Blue switcher. You can disable App Lock by tapping on the same one at the top next to it. In order to delete privacy password completely, you need to enable App Lock. Click on this gear at the top right corner. Choose privacy password, enter it, and select Turn off password. Then tap on Turn off in the pop-up. After that, you need to enter it one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!